That's fuel pump for show.
Oh! Nobody pray for me. It been that day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Doing big Jay-Z things today. Got the wire harness thrown in the car. We got Justin over here doing some big boy wiring. Had to be done. About to throw the switch panel in, wiring the fuse box, all that.
This is yellow's gonna be starter. Oh.
Just like that. Alright, we're about to run power to everything from the switch panel for the headlights, taillights, fuel pump, everything like that. That's fuel pump for show. Pop, 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 pop. That's how you make it purdy. This is going to the taillights and then up to the switch panel. Running lights and brake lights. Baby! Now, baby. We got lights in here now, baby. Oh, yeah. Alright, so we pretty much just got everything kind of laid out. We got everything for the engine harness plugged in and ready to go. I got to get a few things, but we need to figure out which one's powered to the switch on this wiring specialties harness, so I'm going to call them tomorrow or Monday when they're open, because I had it set up for the BMW stock plug that looks like this, so I'm not sure which color they had set for power. We had to run to the store and get some more cable for power to the alternator and the starter, like a big boy cable, make it work. That's pretty much everything. Oh god, flipping this thing because it was on upside down. Pretty sure that's why the line was short. The oil return line thing on the bottom of the turbo, back to the oil pan. The hose is like way short since I changed from a front sump to a rear sump, so had to use the gas can, hose line. Made her work though. All right, we putting oil, more oil,
baby.
more oil, baby.
We don't know if is your drain bolt in?
Yeah. Let's find out, shall we?
If not, there's a cord on the floor.
I don't think we're gonna have any problem. Except that oil pan of yours. Right.
You're saying it leaks?
From where I'm at right now.
Oh, that fuel spraying, bro. Oh my, fuel spraying.
It came from legendary tuners.
Go again, no leak?
Now in base.
No leak this time, baby. Alright.
Horsepower.
We changed on the ECU plug right here to have all three of them going to switch power now instead of, we had two, leaving out the black and orange.
Manual transmission developed.
Hello, Matt. Okay.
Try some more.
She decided this time she wanted. Oh, fucker. We like to party, so we're taking off the whole valve cover now. rebuild the engine
Yeah,
real
we're
quick.
just gonna rebuild it.
Check timing.
It doesn't go big enough, does it?
Dude. Oh my god, it's a
meant to
snug
be.
fit. It's a snug fit.
well,
Look at, hey, we're like sliding on the belt. Look, we can probably fucking change it right now.
Oh, are we good? Hold on. Yeah, because now it looks fine.
Let's spin it around a couple times and fucking see what's going on.
Schumacher is a famous Douglas.
Oh my lord.
Just let that chill for a second. Give it a little.
Oh!
That's just.
Oh my lord, bro.
She gonna start now.
Rolling on fire, bro. She runs. She runs. Oh, fuck. So fuel pump. Alright, so got a lot done on the E36 today. Shout out Justin for helping a bunch with this. Pretty much like the first time I've had someone really help me with this car, and he knows a lot more about the 1Js than I do, so it's a lot easier having him here to help. He's helped me a lot with the wiring that we've done for this, for the switch panel, and for the engine. Even though I got the wiring specialties harness that was pretty much like a plug and play built for this motor, there was a lot that we had to arrange just for the switch panel situation. So we basically got it started today. The problem now is that the fuel pump I have in here that was literally still stock, the stock fuel pump for this car, which was originally the 1.8 liter 4-cylinder motor, was not pushing enough fuel into it. We were able to get it started using just like starting fluid and just putting it right into the intake. But yeah, we couldn't keep it running. So we're gonna get a bigger fuel pump, come back and do that. But then I was looking and I saw a little oil. First it was leaking oil out of the exhaust, which could possibly be bad turbo seals or something along those lines. Then it's kind of hard to see, but you see that bolt right there and how it's hitting my oil pan? It made the oil pan, I think, lift a little back there, which is causing it to leak a little down here. Coming a long way, but definitely has been a mission for this car to get this motor swap done. A lot longer than I expected, a lot more technical than I expected, but she's getting there, boys. She's getting there. So hopefully within the next few weeks, we'll have all that in here, get the engine running a lot better and easily, and then get it over to my buddy Jeff, who's going to be tubing the whole front end and doing my intercooler piping with the TIG welder and everything like that, since I don't have that. So a lot to come with this. Figured I'm going to end this video here, though, and just kind of post an update on this since I haven't for a while. So ordered some new wheels on Black Friday for the E36, so I should have those in soon. And yeah, just a lot to come.